think one is to reduce the barriers to volunteering, making it easier, linking. I think I've seen a lot of things popping up where it's a little bit of a brokerage system of linking up people's passions with opportunities to volunteer. I think that needs to be easier. I think we're heading to a space where there's so much kind of risk aversion or paperwork and all this kind of stuff involved. I think we got to really look at reducing the barriers. I think there are people out there who really do want to help. I think it's human to help. I think within all of us, there's something there, and that belief, the belief that what I said before, that everyone's got strengths, everyone's got abilities that they can share, everyone's got their gifts and skills. I think if there was a way, the magic wand to reduce that barriers that link people with their right passions and pursuits, I think that would be a huge step forward in volunteering. But I think the second thing is just, I think making volunteering more in the mainstream and selling some amazing. I hear so many amazing stories of people volunteering. When you scroll through your social media feeds these days, there's a lot of gossip and negative news and stuff. I think if we share, just sharing some more positive stories of volunteering and what it means and how it can help. By helping others, you're helping yourself. I think that's what's going to inspire more people to get out there and just have a go. And I think that's a third thing as well, just having a go. People stepping forward. It's scary, you're doing something that's different, doing something that's uncomfortable, and you have to get out of your comfort zone sometimes. If you can help people, empower people to have the courage to step out their comfort zone and try something new, I think that's a good thing.
If this culture clip helped you, hit that like button below, and we'll see you in the next clip.